Welcome to Zenith, where learning matters. Personal information. In this session, we will learn how to ask personal information in French.
Vous vous appelez comment? Vous vous appelez comment?
What is your name?
Quel âge avez-vous? Quel âge avez-vous?
What is your age?
Quelle est votre profession? Quelle est votre profession?
What is your profession?
Quelle est votre nationalité? Quelle est votre nationalité?
What is your nationality?
Où habitez-vous? Où habitez-vous?
Where do you live?
Quelle est votre situation de famille? Quelle est votre situation de famille?
What is your marital status? To know how to answer these questions, refer to our first session on self-introduction. Link is given in the description. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and follow us.